friend or two, so I'll swim around and see what I can do. Hello, hello, who's at the pond with me? Won't you be my friend? Come swim and play with me. Oh, oh, I see a froggy on a lily pad. Hi there, I say, I'm sure glad that I found you here. You look so green and nice. And the froggy jumps and greets me once or twice. Hello, hello, who's at the pond with me? Won't you be my friend? Come swim and play with me. Look, a fish is swimming right on by, with scales that sparkle catching my eye. Would you like to join our little group? Now we're 3 friends in our happy soup. Hello, hello, who's at the pond with me? Won't you be my friend? Come swim and play with me. Now we're all together having so much fun, making friends at the pond under the warm sun. All together now.